My HBAR holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I cannot thank you guys enough for all your support that you guys show me on a regular day-to-day basis. Continue supporting, and of course, you guys know your boy will continue to bring out these updates. But, Wednesday started off on a really good note. Last night as well, you were seeing the market, getting back into the greens. So far that overall momentum has carried on. You're seeing utility projects having a field day. A lot of, utility projects up double digits, which of course is always nice to see. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting in the next few hours to come. So the price is currently sitting at 24.7 cents, up 1.1% in USD comparative, down 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 10.34 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $621 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So what you're looking at here is that the dominance is continuing to fly towards the upside. We're almost at 61.5%. But the good thing is, Bitcoin is also making its way towards the upside. If you've watched my market analysis update over the last few days, I've been speaking about, specifically yesterday, actually, I said if this indeed is, actually a turnaround for the market, which it seems like it is, and if we were to go into the 23.6 leading into Friday, because, we have that crypto summit at the White House, which again, a lot of people are excited about. A lot of people are anticipating some big news to come out. And so, if market does continue to go towards this upward trajectory into the 23.6, obviously into Friday, we might see the sell the news event taking place Friday, though. That's what I'm still thinking at. But, the dominance is still at the scary level because, this is not where you would like to see the dominance sitting, but it is what it is. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin actually went up to the likes of 90,971. So if you were to round it up, almost 91,000, we got stopped out. And, it does not surprise me why we got stopped out because, we do have significant amount of resistance around this range. Of course, we wicked up that range and, we saw a little bit of a rejection as to be expected. But, you're still seeing Bitcoin holding really strong right now. So that is a big plus point. Maybe, we still have a long time to go, till the end of the day. So, I still do believe as far as the daily candle goes, we could actually see Bitcoin pushing up to, this 23.6 fib zone, especially if we're able to break out of this key resistance. And that itself is only a move of about 3% from where we currently are. And that would be a major bullish sign. And, we could actually see the price of Bitcoin start going back to the likes of $100,000 potentially, even before Friday, if we are able to see this close in the 23.6. But, I know a lot of people are probably wondering what in the world is causing HBAR to not pump up the likes of, Ondo, the likes of JTO, BCH, Link. Why are we not seeing those type of gains? We need to understand, HBAR has come up quite a bit. People are very fast to, forget this. Literally from the 28th, we saw HBAR go up 61.53%. I can't make this up, guys. This is right in front of us. 61.3%. We wicked back in the 0.50 where I would love to see the price of HBAR up, but right now, of course, that's not the case. But we cannot be ignoring that. Simple as that. Right now, though, let's actually take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really analyze HBAR and understand what's happening. HBAR is showing strength. Yes, it's not seeing those explosive moves, but it is making move towards the upside. Just a few hours ago, guys, we saw HBAR sitting at 26.4 cents, which of course, again, resistance coming in our way. As you can see, this trails off right at the neckline, but that was due to Bitcoin that we did see this little bit of a minor pullback. We do have a lot of support around this 24.5 cents mark. So I'm really liking where HBAR is currently sitting. I do anticipate that, we do see this breakout above this key resistance. And this is where excitement really kicks in my books for HBAR, especially in the 0.50. And it's showing signs that, we could get there, especially if Bitcoin were to make its way back into the 23.6, regardless of dominance going up or not. So, HBAR, a lot of people, are still ticked off at the fact that, it still didn't make, the crypto, strategic reserve. But who knows if there is going to be an announcement coming for more assets, US-based assets to be specific. As we know, Hashgraph, HBAR has a great technology. Major enterprises are using Hbar, and we've been hearing some major developments coming out, and we started seeing Hbar making a recovery while the broader market was retracing, and that itself shows you that in terms of a real world use case, Hbar is making big moves. At the end of the day, obviously in terms of demand, obviously demand is there for digital assets, but the competition is really, really strong. Like there's so much competition out there, but I think Hbar is in its own respective way up there in terms of bringing utility and actually being one of the strong contenders. But at the end of the day, we're going to take it one step at a time. As far as the native token itself goes, we're seeing nice price action, but you really want to see the price go back above 27 cents. I think that would be a major sign that we could actually start heading towards some major prices. As we discussed yesterday, I do personally believe if that strategic reserve announcement does come for Hbar, some people were like, what are you talking about? Well, let me reiterate it. Cardano was listed as a strategic reserve, right? It's part of the strategic reserve. That's the plan. And so if Hbar comes, I do expect Hbar's price to react in a positive way to that announcement itself. So I was saying, we could actually see Hbar going back into the 38.2 based off of that. So again, one step at a time right now. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.